In this video, we're going to be showing you how to play Fortnite on Xbox with a keyboard and mouse. So if you want to use a keyboard and mouse instead of a controller on Xbox, you can totally do that. So in this video, we're going to be walking you through how. So since Xbox doesn't natively support keyboard and mouse, you would definitely need an adapter. So the popular ones you can choose from are XIM Apex, Cronus Max Plus, and Titan 2. So these adapters allow you to use a keyboard and mouse as if they were a controller. So you simply have to plug in the adapter into the Xbox USB port, then connect your keyboard and mouse to the adapter's USB ports. And if required, you will then need to plug the adapter into a power source. So once you do all that, you will then have to follow the instructions that come with your adapter. So you can usually tweak mouse sensitivity and key mappings, especially with tools like XIM Apex. So once everything is connected and set up, you simply have to open up Fortnite and you'll then be able to control the game with your keyboard and mouse just like on PC. So just keep in mind, most adapters usually cost from $50 to $150, and some players may use controllers, so just be prepared to fight against them. And that's it. So that's how to play Fortnite on Xbox with a keyboard and mouse. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.